Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find Chrome history when deleted. First, understand that deleting history from Chrome doesn't always erase it permanently from your system or Google account. We'll start by checking your Google activity, which often stores a comprehensive record if you were signed in. This is usually the easiest and most reliable first step to recover browsing data. Then, we'll explore other methods. To check your Google My Activity, open your web browser and go to My Activity. Google.com. Make sure you are signed in with the exact Google account that you used while browsing in Chrome. Once there, you can filter your activity by date or by product, specifically looking for Chrome browsing history. This method is highly effective for recovering data synced to your account. If Google My Activity doesn't yield the desired results, data recovery software can be a powerful tool. Install a reputable program on your computer. These tools can scan your hard drive for files that have been marked as deleted but are still physically present. Focus your search on the specific directory where Chrome stores its user data, looking for files like history or web data. For better recovery chances, act quickly after deleting your history. Continued computer use can overwrite the deleted data, making recovery impossible. Consider regularly backing up your Chrome user profile folder. This proactive step creates a safety net, allowing you to restore your browsing data easily if it ever gets accidentally deleted in the future. Prevention is key.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.